Welcome aboard the Grand Pirate Ship, where learning numbers is a grand adventure for everyone. Look at the deck. Number 1 is our brave captain, standing tall and waving his flag. High above on the mast, 2 playful parrots squawk loudly, teaching us the number 2. Down in the sparkling blue sea, 3 friendly dolphins jump high to greet the ship. Look up at the sky! 4 seagulls fly in a perfect V formation, counting out loud. 5 colorful fish swim near the hull. The ship reaches a sandy island, where 6 crabs scuttle across the warm golden beach. Back on the deck, 7 treasure chests sit in a row, ready to be opened. Each chest pops open to reveal a hidden number, sparkling like gold in the sun. The pirates explore a secret cove, where 8 starfish cling tightly to the dark rocks. 9 playful seals pop their heads out of the water, splashing near the wooden ship. Finally, 10 pirates gather around a map, ready to go and find the treasure. They cheer with joy as they find the treasure, celebrating their successful counting journey today. The captain smiles, knowing that counting is the most important skill for every young pirate. The parrots fly down to join the crew, sharing stories of the many islands visited. Dolphins wave goodbye with their tails, disappearing into the depths of the vast ocean blue. The seagulls return to their nests, watching the ship sail into the golden sunset sky. Fish swim away into the coral reef, leaving behind a trail of shimmering, magical bubbles. Crabs wave their claws, saying farewell to the pirates as they prepare to set sail. The treasure chests are tucked away safely, keeping the numbers stored for another big day. Starfish settle into the sand, dreaming of the next time the pirates visit their cove. Seals dive deep into the water, playing games until the moon rises high above them. Learning numbers has been a wonderful journey, filled with laughter and many happy pirate friends. Good night to the pirate ship, as it sails peacefully toward the stars in the sky.